NPP Fuo. Party members, any party delegates, se moti ho na se Honorable Ken Agyapong kasa as true party members, and true delegates of the NPP, how do you guys feel? Se moti se wo kasa de you see kasa na all campaigning against his own party, how do you people feel? Eye obia on pe party no koso ana me megidi say obefua Honorable Ken so ene ne nsem na okeka no with the greatest of respect, because nsem na woka no enkrofo edi na chi say na appointees den no appointees nso bebre di wachi abna ose asare the longest serving minister in Nanado's administration eye wono odiwu Honorable Kennechi kwesi kwatina se kweku kwatina na owo finance committee ne so no e wo parliament no osaye minister e wo Nanado first term odiwachi Jojo friends Jojo Blanks no so your friends Jojo Roxon, Jojo Roxon ono so no onya positions 2 e wo Nanado aban mu stika a odiwachi ono hold 3 positions e wo Nanado aban mu. Enti so okoji na aka se na appointees no e de na mo ye ma mo delegate na Honorable Ken now so ye board chairman e wo Ghana Gas ukwado okoji na aka se astrotef no nyama wo mo because ya to abawie bawumia na awi ni enam se wo se wo ye mo ma bawumia benya ni monyam na ne nkrofo ato ama nti no wanye na wo sorry a ensem a egu party ne hu fin kwa na wo ka what sort of leader party na wo pese obedi nanim no wo sorry so anopa awie numre wo horo party no wo sorry a wo so ye bold enye wo party fo na abeko atia wo mo me say I dare you say mahama aba nurses for yentu amoka teachers yentu amoka galamsi atin kensin a ekoso se wo say wo ye bold na se wo say wo do NPP party na se wo se wo ne NPP NDC eni twaka bia na wo indeed wo pese NPP to abama na wo tumi koji tumi every NDC for nsem a I dare you to criticize John Mahama's government. I dare you to come out never speaking against galamsey ya ekoswi. I dare you to come out never kasa say ever criticize Mahama say 10 months in yentu nurses ka 10 months in yentu teachers worker and NPP delegate. Me say me question ba kope. Enti se mote Honorable Ken anim. Na o kan nsem na o kan no ekyeremu a as true party members and as true party leader delegates because mo leaders. Delegates mo leaders because mo na mo choose ne mo pese obedi party nanim. Se mote nanim na se o kasa. How do you guys feel? Which is utterances ene nsem bia woka e de gu wan kasa party a odu moja ene wakoma nyina esom because anytime you be kasa bia no e de party no sunsun kofom anytime you be bia na no bia no e de party no sunsun kofom oni party no okun tia ono ani party na o se yem beto abama no be leading yen no this same man or see beto abani be leading yen no ono anso akotena national television say on criticize John Mahama aban na obi on to me criticize nipa ene ne kokonto kwa 2028 no e ba ne say ne ma say nipa we bedi yanim kan me ya say me kasa say ba metie honorable na nsem na wo ka no right from 2002 and na wo ka 2003 and obi na no ka kire say party ni lose 2024 election no way back in 2022 edu 2023 there what's abegina say yan toma 2023 no yantuma na onko wini ma 2024 walusu ye to abanwe ye 2 months and Honorable Ken bar out so be contest biem so delegate e na e ka kire wo if Honorable Ken believes in his heart say he has nothing doing with NDC me say on criticize President John Mahama aban na yenhwe na onjai say or attack on one party no eye to me na wo pay free party for no honom wo pese obedi yen yanim yen na to me ne kura yen na ebeto aba ama wo no abedi yanim But the way I will kasa no, I don't think say you deserve say you better about the amount. Delegate, munchusu wisely. We beg of you. We beg of you. Any cramp, no, history tells us say, apart from Rawlings, any John Mahama, no, ye caretaker president, our moko ya, omutumi winning in their first term. Now, even aside that cramp, no, President Mahama lose you know, or tenefie, MP, NDC farm tonight, you know, almost a groomy, you know, yeah, aside in a baby, many lose you, aside in baby, will be winning ye. Kufuor. History tells us that Kufuor, and the first attempt, and the winning ye, or call first attempt, or lose ye. But I'm say, now you're marketing into no, you didn't call second time, no. Yankopon, Yadom, Emma, to me winning ye. Yamfa, President Mills, and another example. On also call ye, on a Kufuor, 2 times in no lose ye. Now, so end this for answer, because consistency will hold in one. Ah, ye very, very strong. Because nanim Ghana fo ni mu no ya marketing no se no party ni sika krampa enam se ya marketing da danti no ye betumi de nakọ adenti na e wose yesesen obi ye de nakọ no wetimanya 41.7% amayen na ye boy homo de ne ye tai na chi na se ye enjai sa na nchi twitwa na ye no 2024 ne ye de ne kwa ba wumi abegi amayen atame score ye 3 times ansa no ye dey o wini. But NDC for one for now and because so many say consistency a key. Now don't so buy the same 3 times and a young NPP for your money D anymore 3 times and so on so ebe we near obedi 2 times semi you know. Why do you think say we should change Dr. Bawumia? Say the bentia. Say the bentia. Or no what 41 be da honum no. Na obi ono de ono uncle obi da and so was see the ko be wini. A day research nature a day ade nature say the ko obe wini. History doesn't support their work, no. The Casano, Mr. Delegate, Muntuntia Ken, Honorable Ken, with the greatest of respect, Muntuntiano, on Sesso, on Sam Fataso, baby party, name, name Sam Kikano, and you're on a party name. Party no person baby a party name. Then so I saw Sani Yakun, Yana or person obey to me free a ho, or best straight to me free a honomono, nobody a sono, or Sani Yakun Kuntia party, no. I said, Nekasa working in ano, Adio Yano 2023, and no have been was I started away. No, just on there, I know no, it shouldn't be anyone. I know no, it shouldn't be anyone. Most of them were ministers. Most of them. And so, Sarah Kojona, appointees in the day, no, Yamamu, we incited party grassroots against the party during the 2023, we say, you know. Now, no, I've been starting here, but we promises at this time it's not going to hold water. Honorable Ken, with the greatest of respect, you know, but corn pepe. This time, we can, you do what them, you consent because you boo. We are still your party member. But I said, Neno, and I said, Suba be Achiakakra, in Tamaye whom ye. What you say, but we will never disrespect you. Yan consent ya with that. Name mums over Cassana and ye, a idea against the party now. Your Baba responded accordingly without insulting you or attacking you. Criticism, dear, education, crampon, critique, we can criticize your actions, your words, your choice of words, and some of the things that you say. We can do critiquing, but we will never attack you because you are still party stalwart. But say 2028 part there, I don't think say when I was here they will call. Still maintain. Number 3, Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. It is still possible.
It's not true. What did I say? Going around that he has employed 7,000 people is not true. Because your own polling station executives and delegates are saying that they are unemployed. And as a delegate, our other constituency, your head, you think that Japan is coming to create job for you to get something to do. This is the question. This is the time you should ask yourself that. Ampanyam pasa akwe we bi adwuma fa nipa 7,000 na say te sade nti onok sane chrome delegate no omonia binya den enye. That is when you would understand that whatever he has been saying from the onset has been lies. And I've been telling you guys that to believe in Kennnedy Agyapong is like believing in an NDC person because he behaves and does everything that he does as someone who is an NDC person. You understand? So it is time we think further and watch the man very well and ask yourself that clearly, is this man really an MPP? What he does it benefit the MPP? These are the questions you should be asking ourselves. But in Japan, is not an NPP person. He doesn't believe in the ideology and the principles of the NPP. And I can tell an authority that in Japan behaves and does everything as if he is an NDC man. And that's the reason why, as a delegate, you shouldn't go to the polls and vote for Kennedy Agyapong, because he doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about your political part that you believe in. He doesn't care about your policies and the priorities of your party. Therefore, he's not worthy enough to lead the party. What do I say? He's not worthy enough to lead the party. You understand what I'm saying? Okay? It's very, very important. Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. So, let's see what's going to happen. Right? And then occur in the sense that you claim you've employed 7,000 people, yet only 600 police station executives in your constituency are saying that you have not been able to provide them jobs. Just 600 people in your constituency. You've not been able to provide them jobs, but you are claiming that you've employed 7,000 people. It's not possible. It's not possible. And that's the reason why I've been saying that, to believe Kennnedy Agyapong is a very, very hard thing to do, because, you can't just understand what is going on. That's the honest truth. Because my friend passed 7,000, but the 600 people in my constituency are not employed. They are saying that they don't have work to do. So that 7,000 people that I employ them, where did I even employ them? Me employ more info. That's the question every delegate is asking today. That's the question. They want to know where you employed them. You understand? They want to know. They want to know. And that's the same question will be able to say. I'm not the only one asking. A lot of people are asking the same question. So as a delegate, you should sit down and ask yourself that. If his own constituency delegate are saying that he has not been able to provide them jobs, and they are still jobless, still trying to find jobs, then it means that what this man has been going around saying, that he has employed